Sometimes we forget to turn down the temperature as we walk out the door. That's why we made Auto Away. Nest notices when you leave and automatically turns itself to an energy-saving away temperature, even if it's installed in a room that doesn't get much traffic. You choose your away temperatures, so if you don't have pets in the house, set them as low as 40 degrees in the winter and as high as 85 degrees in the summer. And if you know you're leaving, turn Nest to away to start saving energy the minute you're gone. You can even do it from your phone. If you go on a 2-week vacation, Auto Away can save you up to 6% on your annual energy bill. Visit nest.com/AutoAway to learn more about how Nest can save you energy. Click another of Nest's features to keep exploring.